Dear students, today we are going to discuss properties of integers. This is a topic from class 7 mathematics. By now we have learned about the integers. Integers means the numbers which are we can denote as -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So, we have a number this side also, left hand side of 0 also and right hand side of 0 also. So, integer means we have understood that the number consisting of natural number, whole number and negative numbers. These three constitute integers, and in there we have learned the addition. Two integers we can add, and we found that that is also a integer. Similarly, two positive integer we have added and we have found positive integer. So, we have done integers. Now, we will discuss about the properties of integers. So, first we will discuss about the addition, because we know that when two numbers are added, what will happen? When two numbers or integers we subtract, because numbers are also, by now we know that numbers means also integers, and whole number also we can say that they are also integers, and this set of number consisting of this side, left side of the 0, right side of the 0, they are also integers. So, what will happen when two integers we add? Now, we can take some examples. Suppose we want to take 1 plus 1 will get 2, 2 plus 3, this is also is equal to 5. Again we can take minus 1 and plus 1, this is equal to 0. So, this thing, because since we are doing integers, so everything if we can verify with the help of number line, our doubt clear. So, let us draw number line. So, suppose this is a number line. So, in the first case 1 plus 1 we have got 2, that we can verify with the help of number line. So, this much is your 1 and this much is 1. So, or we can say 1 1. So, 1 and 1 we may get 2 here, right. So, 2 plus 3, similarly we can take 2 and 3, this also will get 5. So, 5 may be here, and minus 1 and 1, if I take minus 1 is this side and plus 1 is again we can take this side. So, this also will get 0. So, whatever number we add will in terms of integers, again we will get after the operations we will get the integers. So, we found that we can take any two integers, and if we add we will get the integers. So, we can say that these numbers, or in case of integers it is closed under additions, because when we add two integer we will get a integer. Similarly, we can take in case of subtraction, this is called minus 5 and maybe minus 1. So, that is a number minus 5 and minus 1. So, this is, so from negative we are subtracting the positive number. So, we can see in the number line minus 5 and 1, we have to subtract minus 5, 1 from minus 5. So, minus 5, generally this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 1. So, 1, since we have to subtract, so this is sign will be this. So, this will be minus 5 again minus 1, that means minus 1 means always left from the 0. So, we will get one step this side. So, we will get total minus 6. So, we have found that if we take one negative integer and one positive integer, and if we take the difference then also we will get a negative integer and which is also an integer. So, we can say that integers are close under subtractions. So, here in general we can say that integer are close under addition, because if we say that AB are any two integers, AB can take any value, then we can say that A plus B is also an integers. So, A and B may be any number or whole number, or we can say negative number, because integer are constitutes of number, whole number and negative number. If we take or if we add, we will get an integers. That is why integers are close under addition. Similarly, we can say that in case of subtractions, A and B be any two integers, and if we take subtraction between them, then we will find that A minus B is also an integers. So, we have seen that there are two integers, maybe we can add or we can subtract, and after that result will always get an integer. So, we can say that the properties of integers we have studied, and we have found that it is close under addition, it is close under subtraction. The close or closure means that if we add two integers we get an integer, if we subtract two integer we get an integers. So, we have found that if A and B are two integer, then A minus B is also an integers. Do the whole number satisfy this property? Because now questions may come whether whole number this satisfy this property, because whole numbers are numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. These are the whole number, because we have seen that in case of integers this is true. So, in case of whole number this is true or not, because we can see. So, whole number consisting of this only. So, we can take 0 plus 1, it will be always 1, 2 plus 3 it is always 5, and 5 plus 6 it is 11. So, we have seen that if we add we may get whole number, if we add two whole number we may get whole number, but if we subtract two whole number like 0 minus 1, this will be minus 1, and 6 minus 5 this is equal to 1, again 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So, we have seen that in case of addition of whole number we may get whole number, but in case of if we subtract two whole number we may not get whole number. So, in case of whole number, in case of subtraction this property will not hold. Now, there is a property of integer which is known as associativity. So, associativity means we have suppose there are maybe three numbers or integers 1, 2, minus 3, because whenever we say numbers, numbers means always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc., because things should be clear. Why numbers means what, whole numbers means what, integers means what. So, associativity property, and in this property we are considering integers. So, we have taken three integer 1, 2, 3. So, we can add this number like this 1 plus 2 plus minus 3. So, we have three integers 1, 2, minus 3. So, here if we add this we may get, this is 3 and this is again minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, 1 plus 2 plus minus 3. So, here we can have 1 plus this is your minus 1, this is equal to 0. So, we can take two integers and first we are adding first two integers, then third integer, and we got 0. In the second case, we are adding last two integers with first integers. So, we got here 0. So, in this case we found that both are equal. Let us take one more examples like 5, 3 and 4. There are 3 integers we have taken 5, 3, 4. So, here 5 plus 3 plus 4, we will see whether these two are equal or not. 5 plus 3 plus 4, right. So, we can get, if we see the left side, this is your 8 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 7. So, these also we are getting 12, these also we are getting 12. So, we can take any 3 integers and first we can add first 2, then the third, and again we can add last 2 and the first, we will get same. So, this is called associativity property, and we can verify this with the help of number line. So, suppose we can take number like 1, 2 and -1. So, first we will take addition of this, that is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus -1. This we will see with the help of number line. So, 1 plus 2 will give us 1 plus 2, this is our 1, this is our 1 and this is our 2. So, this total is 3, and again we have -1. So, that means we will come back one step to the left hand side. So, again we are coming to the left hand side. So, equally we may get, after coming here one step, we may get this is equal to 2, or after calculation we will get this is equal to 2. Again we will see, first here we have taken first two integer, we have taken the sum, and second integer, and we have shown with the help of number line we got 2. Now we will see second number, 2 number will take together and we will see. This is how. So, we have 1, 2 plus -1, right. So, how to do it? 1 means again this side we are going, and 2 plus -1, again 2 step, 1, 2, again 1 step, because this will be left hand side of the number line. So, we will come up to here to here. So, this is also giving us 2. So, this is also is equal to 2. So, we can take any two number, we can verify by general method, we can verify by number line, we will get the same answer. So, that if there is any 3 integers, say a, b and c, then we may get a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So, here we can conclude that the order of addition maybe we can change, but we will get the right hand side will be equal to the left hand side. So, in case of integers, dear students, you can take any 3 numbers, different number in different time, and you can verify and you will get the same result. So, this is about the associativity property. Now, additive identity. In case of integer, we can take, suppose 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, -1 plus 0 is equal to -1, right. 10 plus 0 is equal to also 10. So, same thing we can verify with the help of number line, because here this chapter is is related to number line. So, anything if we do, if we verify with the number line, our concept will clear more. So, let us verify 1 plus 0, let us draw the number line, this is our number line. So, 1 plus 0, 1 is this side and 0 means is there nothing. So, it is equal to, we can say that this is equal to 1. So, this we have verified, and 2 plus 0, 2 we are going this step and 0 means we are not moving. So, this is also 2, this is also we have verified, and minus 1 plus 0, minus 1 is this side, 0 means there only. So, this is also we have verified, and 10 plus 0, we can take bigger number line, suppose we can take. So, 10 plus 0, 10 plus 0, because from here to here it is your 10 and 0, this is also 10. We can add 0 with the any number and we will get the same number. So, for any, in general for any integer a, so we can write a plus 0 is equal to a. Now, we will solve some simple problem. Write down a pair of integer whose sum is minus 7. Pair of integer whose sum is minus 7. Sum, addition, because we have to find two number, maybe unknown, whose sum is minus 7. So, maybe these two number are unknown, we have to find that their sum is minus 7. So, maybe one pair may be minus 4, minus 3 we can take, minus 4, minus 3 we can take, we may get minus 7, right. And another may be minus 6 and minus 1, this also may give minus 7. So, dear students, you can explore yourself, because whenever you do mathematics, you should not stop in one answer. If there is a probability that you can find many more answer, then try to find out, because after all mathematics is a in any subject inquiry skills. You have to ask yourself questions that what more I can do. So, you can like this, you can follow many more pairs. There is a one question, write down a pair of integer whose difference is minus 10. In the here also you can find many numbers, difference is, you have to find two numbers where difference is minus 10, one may be 10 and 20, because if you find difference 10 and 20, you may find is equal to minus 10, right. Difference if I take from difference of 20 from the first 10 we will take, I will get minus 10. And another question is there is a, you may find many pairs. There is a one question, write down a pair of integer whose sum is 0, because we have to find two numbers, because two may be unknown, like this and this is two are unknown, we have to find sum is 0, right. So, you can find many more pairs, one pair may be simple minus 1 and plus 1, this may be our 0, minus 2 and plus 2, this may be 0, minus 3 plus 3, this is also 0, minus 4 plus 4, this is also 0. So, many more pairs we can find, you can explore yourselves. And similarly, there are other questions you can try in the exercise. Now, we will see, fill in the blanks, one question is there like minus 5 and minus 8, this equal to 8 minus 8. Here we have to find the number by which these two sides will be equal. So, we have here by our observation we can see that we have minus 5 plus minus 8. So, here we have minus 8. So, answer will be minus 5, right. So, we will see left hand side and right hand side, and we will see whether our observation is correct or not. If it is not, we will try another number. So, this is your minus 5, minus 8, this is your minus 13, and right hand side is minus 8, and this is your minus 5, this is also minus 13. So, we have found that these two are equal, that is why our observation is correct. So, dear students, we have studied in this class operations, this closure property of integers, and closure property in the case of subtractions, and some problem we have solved, and we request you all that you please go to the book again and again, and you try to find many more interesting thing, and enjoy the mathematics.